In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a link open in Microsoft Word. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially when you're working with documents that include websites, email addresses, or links to other files. Knowing how to properly open and manage links can help you navigate your document more efficiently and improve your overall workflow. To begin, open your document in Microsoft Word and locate the link you want to open. In most cases, Word automatically formats links as clickable hyperlinks, which are usually underlined and displayed in a different color. If your link is already formatted this way, you can simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard and click the link. This will open the web page or file in your default browser or associated application. If the link is not clickable, you can easily convert it into a working hyperlink. Start by selecting the text or URL that you want to turn into a link. Then go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on the Link option. A dialog box will appear where you can enter or paste the web address. Once you've added the correct URL, click OK. Your text will now become a clickable hyperlink. In some cases, you might click a link and nothing happens. This could be due to Word settings that require you to use the Control key when opening links. If you prefer to open links with a single click, you can change this setting. Go to the File tab, select Options, and then choose Advanced. Scroll down to the section related to editing options and uncheck the setting that requires the Control key to follow a hyperlink. After applying the changes, you'll be able to open links with just a single click. It's also a good idea to double-check your links before sharing your document. Make sure they lead to the correct destination and are not broken or outdated. This ensures a better experience for anyone reading your file. And that's it. You now know how to make a link open in Microsoft Word and how to troubleshoot common issues. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.